Goku here. Today, I'm going to be making a video of something that someone in my class drew. It is this, the purpley wurply wolf. Let's read that real quick. Looks like that. It's a purpley wurply wolf. That's what it looks like, and yeah. So what I want to talk about is stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be just walking around.
My children.
But Olivia, okay, bye. Business, come on. Look at the cans. Good night, baby. No. No. Okay, so yeah, and that's pretty much all I wanted to show you for now. Besides, good morning. Go watch them and subscribe. They are amazing. They do not cuss, so it's for all children. They are amazing. So if you don't know what Good Mythical Morning is, go check them out now. Watch the whole entire video. Bye. Okay, that's it. Okay, bye. Oh, what's before I leave? Okay, that's the other one. This is a Ryu from me. No cheats. That's actually Ryu. If you don't know what Ryu is, it is out of a game called Street Fighter, which is a Japanese game. Okay, it's awesome. You should play it at some point. I'm kidding. I don't do that ever. Just do this. And yes, that's pretty much it that I wanted to show you besides scissors. And that's it. Bye. And the purple